bad day when you see this on your porch. Alright guys, the Procharger is here. Let's unbox it. Let's see what we got in the box. We'll make sure nothing is damaged per instructions on the stickers. So we're good to go. Alright guys, in this episode we Procharge the Camaro. We take apart the front end, we install the system, we get it running, so don't miss it. I already cheated. I'm doing the intro at the end of it all. I already heard it. It's amazing. You don't want to miss it. Guys, we got some tools from Harbor Freight for all these little pins. Just start taking stuff off because I have no idea. That was close. There's a plug there. Nice. Let me unplug this real quick. Alright guys, the car is taking a pee real quick. We got stuff gone. Fan's about to come out off the radiator. Gotta take off this hose. That hose pops out. The sprayer's about to go out. The fan's coming off. These are coming out. The hoses on top. So there's nothing obstructing the supercharger placement. We got it. How many tool worked? Hooked on, pulled it out. It's awesome. Didn't have to buy that specialty tool. Let's get started. This is Dylan. He's going to be helping me out. He works for Chevy unofficially.
Officially, unofficially.
We have parts on the ground. We're fully capable automotive people to do this job without certifications. But it helps to have some knowledge of automotive. We have everything ready. We're getting the game plan together. Because where we left off, like I said last night, everything's out of the way. Besides cutting that off, taking this out. And we're just making game plan for the crank and the pulley and drilling and all that fun pin stuff there.
Yep.
So I'm just going to stand back and let Dylan do all the work here. So if it gets messed up, it's on him, right?
It's on GM. Alright, you got that bolt. Let's see what we can figure out.
Oh, where's the drill bolt? We want to try this one, don't we? First? See if it's longer?
Yeah, let's try this one.
Because here's the stock one. So I bought some stuff that we might be able to make.
It's a hair longer. Let's try
so it might do it without this thing. What about a washer?
We need something to...
Is that big enough?
Ooh.
Yes! That should work perfect. Please be long enough.
Oh,
is it?
Yeah.
Dude.
Right. I'm going to have to take this bolt to my dealership and make it easy.
Yeah. Unless we supercharge another 6.0 in the future.
It's way easier than using the kit to do it. The light.
Oh, sure.
Somewhere.
Maybe. Dude, like this is like the frustrating part right now. My tools aren't organized.
Sweet.
And it's dead. Oh my gosh. Let me go get one. I got two more inside. One second. How dare my kids ruin my lights. I just can't stress enough how good this kit is so far, the quality. I'm so glad they have this drill kit to pin the crank to the pulley, because that bolt was perfect. So we're gonna call it good, and we're gonna make it happen.
We're going to drill.
It's time to drill.
Because we're drilling straight into the crank. This is an adapter. You bolt it in, and then that guides your drill bit, so you get perfectly straight.
Perfect. And it's in the right place to cut half and half from your crank and your pulley.
Makes a perfect keyway.
So, guy's professional. He could build a house. Engine 5/8.
I'm not gonna build a house, but I can build an engine probably.
Yeah,
you're the
I've
house,
done
you're
both.
the house builder.
I've done both. Dude, we're like lined up, ready to rock, and the drill's gonna fit.
Hopefully.
All right, Dylan got the drilling done. Dylan got the drilling. That rhymed. And my car's peeing into a bottle. How's that working out?
It's going pretty good. It's cutting pretty good.
You got the guy.
Got the guy right here. Gotta get some more light on the situation. Some right down there. Just gonna start it with my hand. If I can, I might have to. Went in pretty good. We'll get a hammer and a punch and punch it the rest of the way in.
A little more light on the situation.
Yeah, it looks perfect. Paint on the floor, jeez.
Can't take you anywhere.
What is happening over here? Oh my goodness. So we're at 240. We're gonna give her an old clickety clickety clack. Holy smokes. That's scary. Oh my gosh. I'm glad you're a big dude.
That's
You can
probably 150.
just don't break bolt. Dude, they better freaking have that bolt good. I'm scared. This is worse than like head studs. Oh, we heard the click. Yes, yes. Wow.
I'm getting a little nervous, dude.
Me too. 240, bro.
That's bad.
Whoa. Holy.
40 on a bolt is this big.
Good job, DeWalt. Okay, we are making progress. Dylan only broke 2 boots, 2 wires.
Pretty good.
2 wires.
Pretty good.
So note to self, you might as well buy them when you buy your new spark plugs. I didn't think about it, but I should have. But, meantime, injectors, clips are coming off.
I'll show you how it works.
Yeah.
That's what gets stuck on them. That's what's so bad to pull apart right here. That's why I WD them, and they slide right up.
Gotcha.
And then this pushes,
Down
and you
the
just
clip.
pull right up.
Oh, that's cool.
So save yourself some time and a lot of pain and trouble.
Big box right there. This is going to be our workbench. Light it on fire. Sweet. We're just gapping plugs.
Getting gapped.
Getting gapped.
Just like all those other cars at the drag race.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Injectors in, all clipped up. Like we said, I got all of the old spark plugs out. They were not in terrible shape, but I'm glad we're replacing them. Yes, we're man enough to read instructions. Okay,
Here.
we're figuring out the bracket. Dude, look at this professional. Professional. You've done this before.
Maybe I've broken a couple clips on them before.
You've done that before. Definitely.
Not proud of it, but it happens. goes down like this.
Note to self, as Dylan just said, follow the instructions. Because we even said, oh, let's make sure we put the dry belt on first. Because you have to have the bottom bolts off the supercharger mount to even get this belt. So that will be fun to replace if it ever breaks. Fans in, pulleys are on, supercharger oil is filled. We're getting close, dude.
We're getting there. It's gonna be.
I just wish they emailed me the tune already, dang it.
Yeah, we be firing this baby up.
Oh hey, what did you do today?
I put a little bit of woo woo
Woo woo!
on a Camaro.
It's in. This is the belt number I'll need. If I ever throw a belt, this is it. It'll be recorded on video.
Let me throw a belt.
Okay, we're getting the belt on now. A little self-clearancing, supercharger in, drain line down. Dylan's on boost and battery.
Right now.
And I am on
Boost and battery.
front mount. The MAF airflow sensor actually goes into the intercooler, which is interesting. It's kind of a cool design. I gotta get it bolted into there. Then we can mount it up in the car. Alright guys, it's coming along. Intercooler's in, all set up. All the vacuum stuff is done there. We are running all the piping, getting all the couplers figured out, and the wastegate pressure release stuff done over here. But we're almost there. This home stretch. Make sure everything fits. The one piece here.
Can't forget the window washer bottle.
Oh, window washer bottle. Oh, we could do that. I can do that whenever. It's fine. It's fine. We'll do that whenever. That doesn't. It's not pertinent to a running car. But man, it is looking awesome.
One more pipe to put in, I think.
Yep. And we're just kind of putting it all in fairly loose, mocking up some stuff. Make sure everything clears. We'll have to double check bumper clearance. I think we'll be good. I think the fog lights will be the only thing hitting, maybe.
Yeah, really close.
We'll be close.
We'll be real close.
Alright, we're like 6 hours of working in-ish. And these stupid hoses.
These are killing us right now.
This is like not even a joke. We don't even know why they're being so ridiculous. And literally one like tube or coupler or something is just not right. So I'm going to give them a call Monday, since today's Saturday night. Our tune is still not here, so we couldn't start it anyways. And I'm going to ask them what's up. And we're pretty much there. We got all the service done, plugs, wires, injectors.
PVCB's done, vacuum's done.
Yeah, we're like right there getting it all done. Looking awesome. Alright guys, the next day I got the airbox installed. Got the relocation bracket that pushes that back. So relocation, that's in. I found the spot to put my washer. So it should fit right in here. Just gotta run the wires, 2 wires for the pump, and I got the mount sorted. We're good there. Then I custom rigged a part with the Honda piece, a Honda turbo piece, and a Volkswagen supercharger piece to create the skinny angle elbow to go through that little hole in the frame, since our part was wrong, since that piece is not right. Alright guys, there you have it. I think I got it done. Check it out. Got all the lines back in. Washer bottle went in great. Air filter, all the stuff's on. Hose is on. Everything's mounted. I put stuff away. We just need to put the cover on. Got the PCV. Got the breather in. Got the boost gauge underneath here done. I think we're there. Before I put the top on, I want to test to make sure I have no fuel leak. Alright guys, car is done. Front end is on. Front end is secured. I'm going to put the battery on. And you're going to be here for the first startup and prime. And we're going to see if we got any fuel issues. Hopefully we don't. But here we go. We're going to try it. We're going to check it out, make sure we're good. Okay, the tune is not loaded, so I'm not sure what it's going to do, but we're going to start it anyways. The pump's only kicked on once and primed once, which is weird, so I'm not sure. That rail isn't leaking. Okay, none of the tops of the injectors look like they're struggling, so let's go ahead and start it. Oh, oh my gosh, that sounds sick. Let's go check it out. Make sure nothing's leaking. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, that sounds awesome. Oh shoot, this is crazy. Oh man. That's only 2,000 RPM, dude. I think it's singing so sick. Oh man, I can't wait to drive it. Huge shout out to Dylan, who's in this episode, coming out, hanging out as a friend, helping me on the install. It only took like 12 hours. From start to finish, took me a couple hours the day before to take the front end off and get it ready. We got almost all of it done in 6 hours. And then it took me about 4 hours today to put in the spray relocation bottle and some different little brackets and to solve a little issue that we had. So here it is, Procharger, our baby ZL1 is coming to life, and it sounds amazing. It's just, I can't wait to drive it. Can't wait to sit in the tune. Hopefully that's tomorrow. So the next episode, we'll go out and drive it. You get all the noises, the whistly, spinny, crying, whining, Procharger, supercharging noises. Oh, it's gonna be great.